Breaking for Vojo. I got 2 2015 Panini Select Soccer. See what we can pull out of here. Yeah, thanks for the order, Robert, man. I didn't see you right here. I didn't really check. Like I said, fill up that totally certified break so we can get it going off today at 4 o'clock. 13 spots left. We also got a National Treasures going off at 3:30. Also one at about 4:30. Division breaks. Let's get started on these, though. Sterling, Willen, Decoy, Blue Parallel, Akianov out of 299. Gordado and Milik. Let's move these up here. Thanks for the order, Vojo. Let's see if we can pull you a Messi or a Neymar or a Ronaldo auto. Dynamic duos, Vertonghen and Company. Cristiano Ronaldo Ultimate Team. Mascherano for Argentina. Diogo Lugao and Zergov. Tadic, Giroud, Götze for Germany out of 199, 1801.99. Silva and Modric. Thick pack here. Hopefully it's not a decoy. Hopefully getting a nice hit. Torre, Vertonghen, 57/199. Jose Altidore. Blue jersey swatch for Team USA, 57/199. Jose Altidore. Di Maria and Liechtensteiner. Next up, Zuniga, Fabregas, Decoy. Jasper Cleeson, Gold Parallel. That's going to be out of 10. 1 of 10. Beautiful. Love those ones at 1 of 10s. Nani and Zegov. Elwell Sharway, Pjanic. Joe Hart, 91/99 jersey swatch. 91/99 Joe Hart from England. Altidore and Hugo Lloris. Hummels, Wayne Rooney. James Rodriguez, red parallel out of 199. It's 7/199. Jasper Cleesenstein and Giovanni Dos Santos. Silva, Kolarov, Robin and Van Persie, 131/149. Lewandowski and Ramos. Still waiting for our auto, I believe. Vidal, Kalu, Decoy, Josie Altidore, orange parallel, 30/149. Mandzukic and Aguero. Lukaku, James Rodriguez. 20/20 Miroslav Klose for Germany. 20/20 Klose historic signatures. Love those historic signatures. 20/20. Ozil and Contraño. Muslera, Chiellini. Tadic out of 249. 208/249. Akianov and Tosic. De Zirko, Götze, Mats Hummels from Germany, 54/299. Griezmann and Blind. Nice first box, really nice 20/20 auto right there. Let's go to box number 2. Factory sealed. Joe Hart, Neymar Jr., Liechtensteiner, red parallel, out of 199. Pedro Rodriguez, Sergio Romero. Ivanovic, Vargas. James Rodriguez, what do we got here? 23/25. We got a purple patch right there. 23/25. James Rodriguez from Colombia. That's a great card. Low numbered James Rodriguez. Love those. Guerrero and Van Persie. Gervinho, Hazard, Decoy, Pizarro out of 299. Ochoa and Cortez. Fastavdis, Godin, PK, 154/199. Red jersey swatch. I think that's from Spain. PK out of 199. Ospina and Serna. Bonici, Bogdanovic, blind out of 249. 82 of 249. Okay, cool. Messi and Shaqiri. We'll pull those all at the same time then. After this, I'm going to move some stuff out of my room, get some more room. Ronaldo, Cahill, Liechtensteiner from Switzerland, 98 of 199. Endler and Mitriglio. Might have a hit here. Fat pack. Silva. Kolarov. Darn. Decoy. Chialeson, 123 of 149. Got his 1 of 10. Mandzukic and Aguero. Vidal. Kalu. Enzo Perez, 142 out of 186 auto. Enzo Perez. Ozil and Contrero. 4 more packs to go here. Lukaku, James Rodriguez, Javier Hernandez, 116 of 149. Muslera, Chiellini, Tosic, Griezmann, blind. DeZico, Götze, Decoy, Zuniga out of 249, 199 of 249. Witzel and Blazgowski. Last pack here. Already got our auto. See if we can get another low number here. Dynamic Duos, Contrero and Pepe. Sergio Ramos. Lionel Messi, Pride Argentina. No number. Nice card though. Andres Guardado. No number. And we're going to end up with Götze. That is going to do it. Thanks for the order, Vojo. Got some really nice cards coming out of there, including a nice out of 25 James Rodriguez.